how to create a Wix e-commerce website. So I've just logged into my Wix account here. It looks like this. It's giving me a view of all my websites, and we want to click on create new site here. So I'll show you how we can create this and begin from scratch. So click on create on Wix editor. I suggest using the Wix editor personally. So here we can use the help of AI, but I suggest not using it still. So I just click on setup without AI. And here, this is very important for the business or site type. We will search for e-commerce and we will add an e-commerce shop. Obviously, you have all of these different options which you can use depending on how niche your e-commerce shop is going to be, or a website. I'm going to click on next. And right here it's going to begin implementing the website, and it's also going to show us some apps which are suggested for a typical e-commerce store. I'll show you in a second once this finishes loading up. So once this finishes loading up, it's going to ask us for some information like the name and which apps we want to add. I'm just going to pause and come back once this loads. Okay, so it has loaded, and now this is the page that we see. Start setting up your store. The store name, I will just make it Net E-commerce like this, and we can click on continue. If we want to skip any of these steps, we can just click on skip next to continue. Do you already have an online store? We'll begin from scratch, so no. Continue. Products, so this is what type of products we want to sell. So for example, if we want to sell all of these, we'll just check all of these boxes and click on continue. And how are you offering your products? Online store, mobile app, marketplace, in person. So I will leave it as online store. Going to click on continue, and you're all set. Head over to the dashboard. Okay, so we're going to head over to the dashboard, and we'll need to pick a website design for our Wix e-commerce site. So just give it some time here to load, and now we can click on design site. So once we click on design site, we will use a template here. So again, we can use AI, but I suggest using a template. So click on pick a template. And for e-commerce shop, it's going to give you the best matches here. So we have accessories store, electronics, shoe store, accessory store, jewelry store, all of these. So depending on which one you need and what type of e-commerce shop you run, you can choose from here. So I would do electronics. We want to click on edit on the template which we have chosen for our website. And I'll show you very basic how you can add products and all of that jazz. So just give it some time to do the initial setup here for your Wix store. So again, I'm going to pause. Okay, never mind, it's done. Okay, so it looks like this. It's going to add Wix bookings and all of the applications which we have previously, ticked. So we have them on our store. So this is going to be the basic overview of your e-commerce Wix store. So just give it some time to set up all of this. I'll come back in a sec. Okay, so it's done setting up. Here we can enhance with AI again. I'm just going to skip this, and it's just going to generate text for our Wix website. So once the text has been generated here, this is what our website is going to look like. First, I'm going to zoom in to 100% like this, so I have a better view of it. And here we can add different elements. So if I click on add elements here, then we can add images, and we can upload our own images by clicking on here. So what else can we do here? If we go to payments, we can add different payment methods, and basically you will go into your store here, and you will I'm just going to use the search bar to search for store, and it's going to load up the Wix stores. So if we click on open here on the e-commerce store, then we will be able to load up the application, hopefully. So it's installed. Here we can just add again, and it's going to open it up. We're just adding this, so it opens it up. Okay, so like so here we have the Wix stores, and then we can add a product. So we can add a product from this screen, we can set up shipping, and we can connect payment methods. So these are the three important steps in order to run an e-commerce Wix store. So we can add a product. Like I said, skip set up shipping and get paid. So after you set these 3 options up, you will successfully start running an e-commerce store on Wix. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.